here's some more kitten. Sorry about that. I had to get rid of some pictures and videos that I had. Wow, it was bad. Yeah, 84 feet. Yeah, it's pathetic. This one's probably going to be bad too. Boom. Ooh, it blew up again. Meow. Strangely, this is doing better than when I got it full. Jeez. Don't know why. Alright, 377. That's my best so far. Let me go all the way down and see how good this one... Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Stupid plant. One more time like this. Whoo. Whee! I love this game. Just the thought of the kitty getting destroyed is funny. Oh, that was nice. That was a really good one. Those aerial ones are always the best. The TNTs on the ground help, but the ones in the air are always like awesome. Let's go. I used to be able to get 1,000 feet. Ooh. Best so far, 633. I'm going straight up, see what happens. Ah. Well, you guys get to see me suck a kitten cannon. Huh, my friend IM'd me. I'll get that in a minute. Wow, that one was pathetic. I'm gonna put it down more and then go. Man, I'm doing pathetic right now. Oh, gosh. Boom. Dang it. Okay, key hint. Don't go all the way down, that sucks. And don't go the least power. That never works. No. If you hear what I'm watching, don't ask. I'm not watching it. I'm just there. Alright, I'm gonna try one more. Oh, crap. Alright, that's it. I did horrible. Alright, see ya.